Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we want to look at quadratic equation. I want to derive almighty formula from the general equation of a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is expressed as thus: ax raised to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. So to derive this general equation for quadratic equation, we first divide the entire equation by the coefficient of x raised to the power of 2, such that this becomes ax raised to the power 2 divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a equals 0. So from here our equation becomes x raised to power 2 plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. So we are going to transfer the constant of the equation onto the other side, such that x raised to power 2 plus b over ax equals minus c all over a. The next thing we have to do is to convert what is on the left side into a perfect square, and to do that we are going to add b over b raised to power 2 to a all in square, such that the equation will now become x raised to power 2 plus b all over a x plus b over 2a square equals minus c all over a plus b all over 2a raised to the power of 2. So from here we can rewrite this equation, this expression, to become x plus b all over 2a all square equals b 2a raised to the power 2 minus c all over a. For this right hand side, I've not done anything special. I've only rearranged by bringing the positive first and then followed by the negative. For this side, what I've done is I've converted this expression into a perfect square. If you open this expression and you multiply, you are going to arrive back at this equation. Now let us take it further, such that x plus b all over 2a square. So let us open this bracket. This will now give us b raised to power 2 all over 4a raised to power 2 minus c all over a. From here, let us find the LCM of this expression. So this will give us 4a raised to the power of 2. By the time you solve, this will give you b raised to the power 2 minus 4ac. So our expression will now become x plus b over 2a raised to the power 2 equals b square minus 4ac all over 4a raised to the power 2. So we can square both sides such that x plus b over 2a will now become plus or minus square root of b raised to the power 2 minus 4ac all over 4a raised to the power 2. So from here we can take this to the other side, such that x, we are solving for x, equals minus b all over 2a plus or minus b raised to the power 2 minus 4ac all over 4a squared. We can solve the denominator here such that we find the square root, and the expression will now become x equals minus b all over 2a plus or minus, so it is only the numerator that will now have the square root, minus 4ac all over 2a. By the time you find the square root of this, it becomes 2a. So we can solve this together, and this will now become x, since they have the same denominator, x equals minus b plus or minus b raised to power 2 minus 4ac, the entire expression all over 2a. So this is what we call almighty formula or quadratic formula, and this is the general expression for solving any quadratic equation. No matter the quadratic equation you are given, once you plug those variables that you are given into this expression, definitely you are going to derive two values for x. So thank you very much for watching. So if you have any question, please put it in the comments below, and I can assure you that I will address it. Thank you. See you next time.